really? You gonna drive that soon? It's almost done charging. Whoa, whoa. I hope you don't drive it like that. Oh? What'd you do? Tough guy, you okay? You're okay. Told ya. Well, don't let go. You'll slip and hit your head. Oh, no. Tired? Are you gonna be able to drive that? Hmm? Are you big enough? I'm a little scared. Are you gonna push the button and go? Should I get you a helmet? Oh, can't drive it like that.